Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I've got a 10 by 12 inch canvas. I've got some colours along here that I am going to be using for a Dutch pour. Now I did one a little while ago that if you saw my recent resin video, it's this one here. And I've been staring at it because I've resined it because it looks so much better now. And I thought I'd give it another go. So when I did that, my paints were probably a little bit thicker and I used a different hairdryer. So this will be interesting. So I've mixed my paints here. I've used a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium and a little bit of Australian Floetrol, but mostly water and paint. And it's quite thin, very thin. Because I found with the hairdryer that I'm using, I need it fairly thin. I've got some white here that I've mixed up all ready to go. I thought, I've got a spare one of these. What a great way to use this container. And I've written DP on the top so that I know this is my Dutch pour white. So let's get started. So I'll quickly go through these colors as well. This is ultramarine blue. I've got Prussian phthalo blue. This color here, I tried to use a pigment called Purple Rain, but I couldn't get it thick. So I've added a bit of ultramarine violet to it. Then I've got the Deco Art Aquamarine here. And this last one is the Amsterdam Deep Gold and some 24 karat gold. So that I've got to be careful with because we know how 24 karat gold likes to go crazy. So I'm going to pour this out and then I'm going to blow it with my hairdryer to get some more practice in. How is everybody today? I just felt like doing some Dutch pours. What is your favorite type of pour? Or do you just like me, like a lot of different pours and like mixing it up? Alright, I've got my hairdryer. I'm going to try to blow this out. I'm not sure if there's enough paint there, but we'll find out. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I'll check my edges. Where's my tweezers? Is that something in there? Yes. One of the things I like about the Dutch pour is have a little bit less wastage, I would think. I've done a couple of good ones now, I think anyway. So I'm getting a little bit more confident. I might use my finger actually to cover these edges. That's why I've got the gloves on. Good at the back here. Okay, that's nice and covered. All right, let's have a go. I'm going to, oh, there's a hair. There we go. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to blow that way and then I'm going to blow out that way. So let's go here. So this is a slightly different blue than I used last time. I think last time I used cobalt blue and this time I've used ultramarine. And I'm going to use a dark colour, Prussian phthalo blue. And I've got my purple. I think these colours are darker than last time too, by the looks. And then my very pretty ultramarine. And then I'm going to drizzle the gold. I think gold was what was missing last time, but I don't want to go crazy with it, because I'm a bit worried how it might react, or we might get some really lovely cells. We'll see. Last time I had to muck around with it a lot afterwards, and it turned out great after doing that, but my blowout wasn't very good. So let's see how we go. I'm going to add some paint around the edge. How did that happen? I caught the edge. That's all right. I'm going to blow that way first, so it doesn't matter. Bit nervous. All right. Here we go. Well, we've got lots of cells. There's a lot of paint here. I'm going to have to blow from here, I think. That's terrible. This is completely different to what I was expecting, but I'm going to try and work with it, I think. What can we do here? I'm going to add some more colour again. That's pretty. Okay, I'm going to try that again, because that's turned out really pretty. So maybe I didn't have enough paint. Shall we do another one? Let's try again. Do another one, blow out this way. And then I'm going to play with it and see if I can get a good composition going. Because these are pretty. Lots of cells. Now, this edge here, I just want to soften like that. I'm going to actually remove some of this, I think. Oh no. Gotta go wash my necklace. Not sure about this part here. I do like the green popping up through there. That's part of the original that I made. Just wondering if I should make that more of a negative space through there. Something like that. And maybe we'll go with a little bit of gold. Very colourful. Okay, my edges all look good. So I'm not sure about my settings for my hairdryer. I think I had one more setting than I realised. We'll see how this dries, eh? I'll bring you in for a wet look. Okay, here it is wet. Now I expect that the green with aquamarine might spread a bit more, but I think this is really pretty through here. I love the way the purple and the, yeah, just all the colours mixed together up here as well. A little bit of gold in the corner. I've just blown a little bit more on these just to make them a little bit less straight. Actually, I wonder if I should do something here. Certainly some pretty little bits in there, but a little bit muddy, I think. Maybe the paints are a fraction thin. Yeah, tricky. And I feel like there might be a bit too much paint here, so I might actually have to blow that a bit more. But yeah, I will bring it back when this is dry and we'll see how much it shines. Okay, here is the dry result. Let's have a look at the shine. That extreme sheen certainly does like to pop. That's the aquamarine. So, you know, it's definitely a lot better than it was when I first blew it out. It's very dark through here. But I'm not a big fan of the way I did the gold. But like I do like some of it. I don't know. I really need to practice more, but I am moving on to some ocean stuff. So I've got a beach coming up, and then I'll be doing a ocean wave, and yeah. So if you want to see the next couple of videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications, and let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. I will see you in the next one. Bye.